My name is Erica Chase and I work in product marketing at Sigma. And I'm going to talk to you about dashboards that are actually useful. In my previous company, they bought everyone a second monitor so that they could always have the company dashboard up to refer to. I never saw a single person with that dashboard up. And the reason was that the data on the dashboard was too high level a lot of times to actually impact someone's day-to-day job. And then even if they saw something on the dashboard that they wanted to know more about, that they thought might be impactful, that might be interesting, they couldn't get to the data behind it. If you had a question, it meant that you had to file a ticket with the data team or email a coworker and hope that they had already filed the ticket so that you didn't have to go through that process. But it was really more of a stop sign rather than a starting point. With Sigma, I actually use her company dashboard on a regular basis. And that's because I can actually see the data that's behind it. When I have a question about what's going on in one of the metrics that's displayed, I can click through to the worksheet behind it and then do my own analysis and tease out the different results. I can also have a copy of the dashboard that has my own analysis underneath it and my own figures so that I can take the work that one of my coworkers has done and build onto it so that the data analysis that's specific to me and my job is right there next to it. So the dashboard ends up being this vehicle for collaboration rather than this stop sign that doesn't go anywhere. Like, dashboards finally became something that they were supposed to be all along, something that helps drive the data-powered culture of the company. Thank you.